Hello everyone, I'm your host Irfan Nasser, and today in this video I'll demonstrate how to use Google Messaging Service on two devices within Windows 11. This method is straightforward. All you need to do is visit the Google Messaging Service website on your browser and scan the QR code using your phone. Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome allow you to install separate applications for websites on your Windows 11 PC. You can easily download and access this service through a dedicated application. However, as I personally use Mozilla Firefox, which is not based on Chromium services, it becomes challenging for me to utilize two different messaging services on Windows 11. In this video, I'll guide you the process of downloading the messaging service to your taskbar using a few simple steps. First, open Mozilla and navigate to the Google Messaging website to scan your QR code. Afterwards, close the browser and go to the Start menu on Windows, search for Firefox, open the file location, create a desktop shortcut and access the properties of that shortcut. In the Properties dialog, paste the link to your Google Messages in the box under Link. Click OK. Now when you open Mozilla Firefox, it will take you directly to the Google Messaging service. If you wish to change the icon, follow these steps. Search for messaging icon on Google, convert it from JPG or PNG format to ICO format, Windows 11 icon format. Go to the properties of Mozilla shortcut, select change icon, choose the newly created icon and click OK. By completing these steps, you can easily pair two devices on your Windows 11. Keep in mind that if you're using Google Chrome, you can directly install the application. However, for Mozilla Firefox users like myself, these steps will help you launch Google Messenger service directly from your taskbar. Thank you very much for watching. And if you like more content like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll post videos like this soon. So, peace out.